Which way? This way?
Yeah, we just do like this. Stuff it like that. Just four of them.
Thank you. Looks a little greasy.
Yeah, doesn't it?
And then the other side. There you go. And then one the other side. That's it. You got it, Angela. Perfect. Good. Then we just put it here. Turn it over. Put it there. There you go.
Perfect.
Do it. Nut it out. Here we go. Good. Put a little bit of cheese. Perfect. Right in the center. Then a little bit of ham. Okay. Perfect. A little ham.
I'm a little ham.
You're a little ham? I thought you were a little lamb. Okay, that's some more. Four and a half.
Cheese
Oh, we
stuffed
eat that, right? It's
rolls.
always
Cheese
good.
and ham.
That's the best part, right, Mary?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, tell me, why am I doing this instead of petting my lamb?
Yeah.